Guys, I just woke up and it was snowing last night and wow. Look how pretty it is. So much snow. Here, I'm gonna go downstairs. Gotta put on this beautiful baby on. Wow. So much. Oh my goodness. One, it is freezing out here. But, oh! Careful. Whoa! Yo! Oh my gosh, there's so much snow out here. We had a winter snowstorm last night and holy rackadoodles. This is a lot of snow. Just walking my boots. Oh my goodness. Everywhere. There's my sister. Oh my gosh. Look how beautiful it is. Wow. That just wow. Just wow. The roof. The swing. The bench. Our tractor we play on. I see paw prints. I wonder what those are for. It leads over here. No clue. Here's our table. I'm gonna draw a heart. Perfect. So much. Whew, it's cold. That is so much. It's just a lot. Wow. My hand is cold. Wow. This swing bench. Oops. Later, we are going to make a snowman. We are so excited. Stay tuned.